Vaping CBD has grown in popularity, and that's because it's a quick, convenient and efficient way to get CBD into the bloodstream. So in this video today I'm going to be talking about specifically CBD vape cartridges. I'll talk about the different strengths you can try, the flavours and also how to use them. I do hope you like this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can learn, live and share your CBD journey with me. Let's get into the video. Vaping CBD is the fastest method of consumption. When we vape, all of the cannabinoids are being absorbed through your lungs into the bloodstream, and it usually takes only a couple of minutes for it to take effect. However, it is the shortest lasting method of consumption because it will leave the system within about an hour. So with vaping, you do need to be aware that, if you're not using any other CBD products and vaping is your only method of consumption, you may need to vape it on several occasions through the day. Now, if you already have a vape pen, something similar to this, then you would be better off using CBD vape oil like this one from Harmony and just adding that to your tank, and that can be added on its own, or you can actually mix it with nicotine. However, I'm talking today about CBD vape cartridges, and CBD vape cartridges, they need to be attached to a battery. So usually when you're buying a CBD cartridge, they will have a battery that's available to buy with it, and that will fit on nicely to the cartridge that you've bought. Then when that cartridge runs out, you just throw it away and you can buy another cartridge. So the benefit to the cartridges is that instead of having to buy a 10ml bottle of juice, you can just get a 1ml cartridge, which is a lot more cost effective. It also means that instead of getting 10 mils of one flavour, you could get 4 or 5 mils of different flavours, so you can try different ones and see which one you like the best. All the vapes that I'm talking about today are available on my website, exciteforlife.co.uk, or you can come and visit us at our friendly CBD shop in Bradford. We always have great special offers that you can mix and match, so you can buy 2, get 10% off, or you can buy 3 and get a 4th one for free. There are 2 different types of CBD vape cartridges that you can buy. One is made of a CBD isolate, that's just isolated CBD on its own, and it's usually mixed with PGVG and a flavour of some kind. The second type is one that's made of a broad spectrum CBD oil, so it's actually a CBD oil that you would usually put under your tongue, but the only difference is that they've added MCT Coconut oil to it, a very fine MCT Coconut oil, and that just helps the CBD oil to burn and for you to vape it efficiently. When we vape a CBD isolate that's got PGVG inside, you are going to get a lot more vapour and smoke coming out, and you're going to feel more of a stronger hit on the back of your throat. So as an example, if I was to vape this now that's got some OG Kush in there, you can see there's quite a lot of vapour that comes out of that, and that's because of the PGVG. That's what gives you the hit on the back of the throat and also what creates all of the vapour. Because CBD vape cartridges that are made with a broad spectrum CBD oil and mixed with MCT coconut oil, because these don't have PGVG in, you're not going to get a very strong hit on the back of your throat, and you're also not going to get lots of vapour. So a lot of people that don't smoke, have never smoked, find these more preferable because they don't want a strong hit on the throat, and they like that sort of smooth feeling when they're vaping. So as an example, this one, there's not as much vapour that comes out, but the taste is amazing. CBD Ultra do a brilliant vape. They usually sell their vape in a 10ml bottle, which is £50, and this is a broad spectrum CBD oil that's been mixed with an MCT coconut oil. Now what's wonderful about this now is that you can actually buy a cartridge, which is only £8 for the cartridge, and you get 1 ml, which has 100 milligrams in the actual cartridge. So it's a lot more cost effective, and it also means that instead of buying 10 mils of the same flavour, you can try different flavours. So you may get a Blue Dream or a Pineapple Express, a Lemon Haze, OG Kush, Gelato. They also do Watermelon OG, so they've got a range of really tasty flavours. So the way that these work is it's really simple. You can buy the cartridge on its own. If you already have a battery that will fit this cartridge, it's fine to just add this to your existing battery. Or you can actually buy the battery as well as a CBD vape set. So with this you would get a little tin like this. It would have a cartridge in there. It has a USB charger which goes in any type of USB plug, and then you also get the battery which comes like this. So all you would do is you would just take your battery and you would just screw the cartridge onto the battery. I've got OG Cushion here. Now with this it's really simple to use. All you do is you click the button 5 times quickly for on and off. And then it's got 3 heat settings as well. So if you click it 3 times quickly, it will change the heat settings. So there's 3, so it's now on low, which is white. It's turned on to a blue, which is the medium. Red is the highest setting. I like it on the highest setting because I used to be a smoker. And then all you would do is you would just vape away. So the good thing about the cartridges is that they've got 100 milligrams of CBD in them. So say for instance you start vaping this cartridge on a Monday, and then 2 weeks later on the Monday it's ran out. You know that you've vaped 100 milligrams in 2 weeks, which would be let's work that out. 100 milligram divided by 14, which would mean you've been vaping 7 milligrams of CBD a day. So it's handy to know this type of thing because then you can sort of budget and know how much CBD you need to buy. They also do a larger strength of 200 milligrams in a cartridge, and these come as cookie dog flavour. They also come as limoncello, orange diesel and runts. So what they're doing here is they're taking their broad spectrum CBD oil and they're adding the terpenes from some of the best loved cannabis strains. And terpenes are what give cannabis its taste and flavour, but you don't get stoned from vaping them. Here we have CBD Life's vape pen set. So it comes with a vape pen battery, and then you also can choose which flavour cartridge you want to go with it. So with this, it is a very high strength CBD vape. It's made with a broad spectrum CBD oil. Again, it's been mixed with a very fine MCT Coconut oil, and they've added terpenes from some of the best loved cannabis strains. So this has got 400 milligrams of CBD in a 1 ml cartridge. So this cartridge, 1 ml cartridge, you'll get 200 puffs out of it. So that means that every single puff that you have on this, you're getting 2 milligrams of CBD per puff. So it's very high strength. So you can choose from some really amazing flavours. You can choose Super Lemon Haze. We've also got Straw Nana. We've got Granddaddy Purple, Blue Dream, Raspberry Cookies, Tangerine Dream, Banana Kush. So some really tasty flavours that your mouth is going to be watering over. With this vape pen from CBD Life, the battery, it doesn't have a button on it, so all you need to do, it's very simple. You can just, and it will just, the vapour will just go directly into your lungs. It's just a pull and a draw. Now some people prefer to vape into the mouth and then swallow, and some people prefer to just vape directly to the back of the lungs. It's completely your choice. Try it both ways, see which way you like it the best. Here we have Harmony's CBD vape pen set. So with this you would get the battery that has a little USB charger in there. Again, it doesn't have any buttons on it. All you would do is you would attach the cartridge that it comes with. You can either get OG Kush or you can get Moroccan mint. You just screw the cartridge onto the battery, and again you just pull and it will just instantly go into your lungs. There's no button on this battery. And this cartridge, both cartridges hold 100 milligrams of CBD. Now this is made of a CBD isolate, so it has got PGVG in there. So if you do want to feel a stronger hit on the back of your throat and you want to have more vapour, this type of vape pen would work best for you. Hopefully now you understand the benefits of using CBD vape cartridges. They are quick, they're very convenient and easy to use. If you do have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me. I'm more than happy to help you on your CBD journey. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.